Welcome to another EasyKnowHow Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes and views on your Instagram post recently. Instagram updated the app to allow you to hide not only likes but also views on your post in Instagram. So we can do this either on individual post or we can do it on our account overall to hide all the like and view information from being available it to the public. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide likes and views when you make a new post. Then I'll show you how to hide likes on your older post. And then finally, I'll end the video by showing you how to hide likes and views on your entire account. So to get started, I'll show you how to hide Instagram likes on post when you're making them. So go ahead and start a new post. Go through the filtering when you get to this page where you can write your caption. All we need to do is go down to the bottom, select advanced settings, and then in here the first option will be hide like and view counts on this post. So if you select that, then when I make the post and share it, the like and view information will not be shown to the public. Now I'll show you how to turn off likes and views on previous posts that you made. So to do this, you need to go to your profile, find the post that you want to turn off likes and views from. So I have one right here. As you can see, it currently has 103 views. Once you open up the post, select the three horizontal dots in the top right of the post and then just select hide like and view counts. So as you can see at the bottom, it has removed the views and the likes from being visible to the public. To see them all, I need to do is simply select others at the end of it. And as you can see, it shows me at the top 103 views and 12 likes now. To turn off likes and views for your entire profile on Instagram, what we need to do is first go to our profile in the Instagram app, then select the three vertical lines in the top right to open the menu, and in the menu, select Settings. Once we're in Settings, select Privacy. And then in Privacy, you want to select Post, which is under Interactions. So select Post. And as you can see, the first option there is to hide like and view counts for your entire profile. The one drawback of doing it for your entire profile is that you won't see likes or views for other people's accounts as well. So if you turn that off, you'll lose the ability to see it for Instagram overall. All right, so that's how you hide likes and views on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.